Hi, welcome to Your Mentor YouTube channel. To get the government job, PhD admissions, work from home job, PGT, TGT and assistant professor job notifications, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon, share, like and comment the videos. And in this video, we are going to see with any post graduation, even though if you are a fresher or the experienced, you can earn 1,20,000 rupees per annum. So it will be the wonderful opportunity which is providing by one of the government college. Okay, and from all over the India, you may apply from any state. Okay, so there is no application fee for this one and there is no written examination for the selection process. So I'm requesting you to please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities in this pandemic situation. It will be very much helpful to them. And whatever the recruitment you are looking for, so if it is not there in this video, then please mention your requirement in the comment section of this video. If I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. So to get my next video, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon and watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this recruitment notification. Before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, the educator of electronic science and the general paper 1. So the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next cycle, here the new batch course is going to start from October 27th onwards. So it is a paper 1 and electronic science course, guys. The interested candidates may take the subscription plan. So here you may check down. So whatever the subscription plan you want to take, you may use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, to get 10% discount. Coming to the present content of the video, so it is a Rashtriya Raksha University, an institution of national importance. So here from this college we got the recruitment notification, that is walk-in interview, guys. So it is located in Gandhinagar, Gujarat from India. So walk-in interviews for the following teaching as well as a non-teaching post purely on the contractual basis are being scheduled at the Rashtriya Raksha University, and the name of the post, the nature of position, I mean all the positions are contractual only, and the monthly fixed remuneration is given here. So the date of walk-in interview is also mentioned, so I may check down, guys. For associate professor, 1 lakh to 1,20,000, 31st December is a walk-in interview date, and library and information assistant 40 to 50,000, 31st December. Campus director 1 lakh to 1,20,000, 3rd Jan 2022. And the executive director, it is also 90 to 1 lakh, it is also on 3rd Jan 2022. Assistant hostel warden boys and girls 25 to 35,000, 4th Jan 2022. Assistant engineer civil contractual, so 40 to 50,000, 4th Jan. And senior manager internship and the placement 60 to 70,000, 5th Jan. Administrative assistant cum coordinator 20 to 25,000, 5th Jan. Student advisor 20,000, 6th Jan. Vigilance officer 60,000 on full-time basis, okay, so 6th Jan. And project officer 40 to 50,000, 7th Jan. And the academic and the training officer 50,000, 7th Jan 2022. These are all the walk-in interview dates, guys. And if you want to get the individual position eligible conditions or the eligibility criteria, then please have a look here. For the associate professor, PhD degree is mandatory. And while coming to the library and information assistant, graduation in any discipline, but the Master of Library and Information Science must be there, and 3 years of experience post qualification in the library also must be there. And coming to the next position, few desirable qualifications also mentioned, so please check down. And while coming to the campus director, any master's degree, any PG degree with 55%, okay, from a recognized university. So even though if you are a fresher or experienced, no problem, so you can apply for this positions. And the salary for this one is given as 1 lakh to 1,20,000 rupees per month, and here the key responsibilities also given here, so if you want you may check down. And coming to the executive director, master's degree with 3 years of experience or the bachelor's degree with 5 years of experience in any discipline from a recognized university, and the knowledge of international practices and commensurate with the national security objectives must be there, and the minimum 8 years of experience they are asking. And coming to the assistant hostel warden, bachelor's in any discipline from a recognized university with minimum 3 years of experience in the relevant field. And coming to the assistant engineer civil, bachelor's degree in the civil and minimum 5 years of experience. And coming to the senior manager internship and placement, PG with 55% in any discipline from a recognized university as well as 8 years of experience in the relevant field must be there. And coming to the administrative assistant cum coordinator, master's degree in any discipline, excellent knowledge of computers, ability to innovate and to improve programs or services, excellent communication skills and fluency in the English language must be there. And coming to the student advisor, graduate in any discipline, excellent communication skills and experience in advising and counseling, providing guidance to the students, and having a background or the broader understanding in security defense. Fresh graduates or a person with 2 to 3 years of working experience will be preferred. And coming to the next one, vigilance officer, master's degree in the field of finance, accounting, management, security, with minimum 10 years of experience must be there. And coming to the next position, so project officer, a degree in chartered accountancy, 10 years of post qualification experience. Okay, and few more tally is also required. And academic and training officer, master's degree in any discipline, good academic or research record, fluency in English and the Hindi language must be there. Okay, so these are all the different positions and their qualifications, guys. And here the reporting time is also mentioned here. So whatever the designation you belongs to, whatever the eligibility conditions you are having, so please check down the date once again, as well as the reporting time, and the walk-in interview time is also mentioned here. Got it? And a few more instructions are also provided, so if you want, you may go through all these instructions. Okay, and here one main point is that the COVID-19 guidelines to be followed, okay, during the walk-in interview. So candidate will not be allowed for walk-in interview if he or she has any COVID-like symptoms. Okay, so the candidate has to submit the attached declaration before entering the premises. Face mask is compulsory and Arogya Setu installed is compulsory throughout the process of walk-in interview. Any luggage will not be allowed within the premises, and accompanying persons also will not be allowed. That means you have to go alone. All the candidates must have to follow the guidelines of GOG and GOI for the social distancing. Okay, and here the coronavirus self-declaration form is also given here. So you need to fill up and take this form before entering the walk-in interview location. Okay, so please share this video, and to get the more notifications like this, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. If you are preparing for the UGC NET examination from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. So if you are interested, you may continue this video, otherwise you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Jai Hind. Yeah, hi guys, welcome to my channel. So myself, I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science, as well as the general paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So myself, I cleared the UGC NET as well as the GATE for the 2 times in electronics and communication subject. And in this video, I want to bring you one new batch course for the candidates who are preparing for the next NTA UGC NET exam cycle. So next cycle means as if right now in the month of November and December, NTA UGC NET is conducting the exam for the December 2020 as well as the June 2021 med cycle, fine, and the next cycle is the December 2021. So Unacademy started the new batch course, guys, for the paper 1 as well as the paper 2, and the highlights of this course are online live classes you will get, and even though if you miss the live class due to your busy schedule, you can watch the recorded videos also, and you can download the class PDFs also, which will be very much helpful for your preparation purpose, or else to write the short notes purpose, or else the revision purpose. And the test series are also you can avail from this new batch course. And while coming to the official website of the Unacademy, so all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. So it is not only providing the paid courses, guys, it is providing the free online classes also. And you will get the free online classes on the 2 platforms. One is on Unacademy YouTube channel and one is on Unacademy app itself in the name of special classes. So here, what I mean, NTA is conducting the UGC NET examination for a total 81 subjects, right? So out of the 81 subjects, Unacademy is providing the online courses, or else what you call paid courses. Okay, that is nothing but complete coaching for the subjects, okay, that you may explore what are the different subjects Unacademy is providing this UGC NET examination purpose. And coming to the list of the subjects, so general paper 1 teaching is common, that means teaching aptitude, that is paper 1 is common, that you will get in English language as well as the Hindi language. And coming to the remaining paper 2 subjects are commerce, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, sociology, labor welfare, and English and education, and geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, home science, environmental sciences, philosophy, mass communication and journalism, tourism, administration, management, Sanskrit, Punjabi, okay, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects that Unacademy is providing, guys. And while coming to the myself, as I told that I'm providing the subject that is electronic science. So it is my profile. So for both paper 1 as well as the electronic science, I am the Unacademy educator. So the information to the electronic science candidates, I mean, not only to the electronic science candidates, so whatever the subject I shown you right now. So if you want to take the subscription plan where the new batch courses are going to start, guys, okay, if you want to take the subscription plan for all this one, then you may click on this get subscription. As I told in the starting itself that you will get the free online class as well as the paid courses also. But under the subscription, you will get the complete in detailed syllabus as per the UGC syllabus, guys. And you may take the plus or the iconic subscription. So if you click on the plus, okay, these are the different subscription plans are there. So you may take 1 month or 3 months or 6 months or 12 or 24 months. Okay. And here the price are also mentioned. So for 1 month 3,190 and 3 months 6,875 like this. And whatever the current courses are running, they are maximum up to the 3 months, okay, or else beyond the 3 months. So the suggestible one is the 3 months or the 6 months of subscription plan, or else if you are preparing for the next other cycles, you may take more than 6 months also. And if you go to this one here, it mentions that have a referral code here. So here I am providing one referral code, guys, ASWINIK. Okay. So if you click on this referral code and apply, so whatever the plan you are going to take here, for example, if you want to take the 6 months of subscription plan, okay, and if you use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, then you will get the 10% discount. Okay, 10% off you will get on any one of the subscription plan. So previously I shown you whatever the subjects that is providing for the, providing by the Unacademy. So for any subjects, you will get the 10% discount for the referral code, that is ASWINIK, and then click on the proceed to pay. Okay. And while coming to the electronic science and the paper one, okay, so the new batch course is going to start from November 3rd onwards. Okay, that means the day after yesterday, November 3rd onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys, can utilize the opportunity. So already the course schedule, everything is launched here. Fine. So you may check down in my profile link also. And after downloading the Unacademy app, you may click on, you may search by this name, okay, Ashwini Kumar Gadige. Then you will be directed to my profile link and you may check down, okay, the schedule of this upcoming batch course. Fine. And here the lot of previously the course taken students, the lot of the students are highly satisfied, guys. So you may check down the dedications also from the previous batch students, right? So, and you can also come on the free online classes also, that as I told that you will get on the Unacademy YouTube channel as well as on the special classes. So for example, before taking the subscription plan, if you want